Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming Python and pip are available. That prevents runtime surprises. Once done, create a project folder and a virtual environment to isolate dependencies. You then activate the environment and install only what you need. This keeps the environment reproducible. Create a minimal script. Py file and list required packages in requirements. TXT so you can replicate the setup later. Make sure to use a clear, versioned interpreter. That removes ambiguity when you run or share the script. You now write the core logic by turning the task into small, testable functions. That simplifies debugging. Once functions exist, wire a CLI with argparse so you can run different modes without editing code. Make sure to use logging instead of print so you can change verbosity, and use pathlib to handle file paths across platforms. As you add dependencies, pin versions in requirements. TXT and write PyTest tests. This catches regressions early. Finally, commit code incrementally with clear messages. You finish by running the script and verifying outputs. Use Python script. Py and run PyTest to confirm behavior. Once validated, package the project for distribution using pip install e, or build a wheel and consider Docker for consistent deployment. If something fails, read the traceback top to bottom and enable logging at debug level to see internal state. Reproduce the failing input in an isolated environment. Make sure to revert to a commit that worked if you need to bisect changes quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.